Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I'm going to be showing you a very beautiful 2021 Harris Sunliner 230. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around the outside, look at some key features, and do the same on the interior. So as we walk around this boat, you can see we got the black sapphire fencing. Adds a lot of depth to this fence and just really looks good in the sunlight, as every black does. Now, whenever it's matched up with our standard railing, it really makes everything pop on this boat and just shows off that beautiful black color. Now, as we walk to the bow here, I want to point this out to you guys. So we have fence mounted docking lights that are LED and super, super bright, along with your navigation light also being placed on the fence, and your same thing on the opposing side. Why I like this feature is because whenever you're getting onto the boat, whether you're on your dock or even a dock at a marina, it clears up this floor space to prevent any kind of tripping. And that also brings me to my flip up cleats that are stainless steel. Again, adding to that convenience to fold everything down to make it a very low profile platform to walk on, making it very safe. Let's go ahead and walk to the stern back here and look at what was powering this bad boy. So we got a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. This is a really, really powerful package, especially when it's paired up with our 3-blade stainless steel prop. It's going to give you that great performance and that great bite out of the water. And of course, since you have the ski tow bar back here, that gives you the ability to do tubing, skiing, really anything that you want to accomplish on the water with your family. Now, right over here next to our Mercury outboard, we have a 4-step ladder that sinks really, really low in the water to make it that much easier to get back on board or even to get into the water nice and safely. All you have to do, collapse this ladder, hold it in place with our little tether, and clip it up out of the way, and you're ready to go underway. Now, let's go ahead and take a step on the inside and explain some of those wonderful features to you guys. Now, something new to 2021 is this rear layout back here. This is our beautiful lounger. It is surrounded by our safety rails, making it okay for us to ride back here while underway with those chains hooked up, just like we are on our port side here. Now, the reason why I like this is because you can change this up based on what kind of day you're having. Have a lot of people coming out, going for a ride. You can accommodate them on either the aft or the forward part of this lounger. Now, whenever you decide, you can rock this back, giving you a nice, comfortable backing to lay on and to be able to extend your legs out. And if that's not good enough, drop it one more additional step and have really like a big suntan layout right here, which is just a great feature in itself. And I love how they brought those to these new models. Now, of course, with a big platform like this, you got tons of storage. So underneath this back seat here, all self-bailing, as every compartment on this boat is. You can fit your tables, your coolers, really anything that you're going to be out on the water with. They've also included an ice box or drink box over to our port side here with a drain built in at the bottom. Pull that plug and you're ready to drain out and ready for the next day or week of boating. Now, something that a lot of people tend to look over is the layout of our fencing on this boat. The reason why I really like this is we can close this off, and I call this our playpen style setup. That way, if your kids are on this boat, they're going to be nice and secured between this door. There's no bars for them to climb through. That way, you can monitor them very safely and very easily. Just pull up the door, place it down, and our stop holds it in place for you. Now, as we walk deeper into this boat, you guys are going to realize how rich the interior is on this Sunliner. So all I got to do is pull up my lever here, and I'm able to flip this 360 degrees around. We have the cross stitching in the center, upping that quality and really giving you that warm, fuzzy feeling when you're inside of this boat. We have the same exact seat placed on our captain's chair right here, and our completely redesigned helm for 2021 year. With this, they've made this a very low profile cut. That way, if you're ever needing to stand up to bring this to a docking position, it's very easy to do that. And of course, for those tall guys, you can come down here and you can kick that seat back even more, giving you even more room to stand up in this location. Of course, we have a fusion radio over here. This is Bluetooth operated and also can be connected through a USB, increasing your flexibility however your devices connect. Your gauges over here are actually a lot upgraded from the previous Sunliner models. They give you this multifunction gauge where you can view compass readings and really anything. Turn that on and have a really beautiful backlit design. And you can see here, once this powers up, we have a beautiful menu in here that's extremely user-friendly. You can view all sorts of information such as runtime, battery voltage, and whole 9 yards. Of course, storage is always a key feature. This is our changing room door here. Easily add on a changing room where this has a canopy that folds up nice and tall for you to comfortably go in there, do what you need to do. For those people that don't need that door, you have a big storage compartment that works perfect for coolers. Just kick it under there, shut this gas assisted door, and you're good to go. Now, as we come to our bow seats on the Sunliner, gain a lot of features with this. Of course, you have your cross-stitched centers, giving you that nice warm feeling, and also having included armrests on this that are very durable and they're not going to lose their shape over time. Again, storage. Can't have enough storage on the pontoons. Notice your bow seats up here are all connected with a stainless steel tether, and you have powder coated brackets here to prevent any kind of corrosion or buildup that could occur on the water. Off to both port and starboard side, we have a really new feature where you have those twin 2-amp phone chargers off to the side of your cup holders, making it easy to get those devices nice and charged up. And again, that's on both port and starboard side, so you don't have to worry about your passengers being limited. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to schedule a test drive with, hear more information about, please contact us. Thank you guys so much for watching.